So today I'm planning to teach a Year 1 class, so that would be 6-year-olds. The main aim of the lesson is for them to be aware of how relationships develop and what makes a healthy friendship and family relationship. Obviously the different stations do have different objectives. The consent station is where they are learning about the word consent and understanding that they do need to ask permission for things and that it is okay to say no. Now, consent is a word this age group will not be familiar with. I've got lots of little scenarios that I will talk to the children about and ask them, is that a yes or a no? For example, one of the questions is, if you want to go into your friend's pencil case, should you ask for consent? And then they use a bean bag and they either throw it in the yes hoop or the no hoop. And then discussions will come from that. The painting activity, the objective of that is for the children to understand and see around them that their peers in their class will have different family setups, just to understand that differences should be celebrated in that way. And then the other station where they're making the friendship relationships. So obviously the aim of that is for them to be aware what qualities make a good friend.
It's very important that you make parents aware of any change in curriculum. I think there's been a little bit of negativity in the press about the new curriculum, and that's caused a lot of misunderstanding. So I think supporting the parents in workshops and information, certainly that the school are doing, it's a very, very positive thing for the children. It's going to bring a lot of positive changes for the children emotionally and mentally in their well-being. So we're going to have family workshops for the parents to come in and understand what the new curriculum is about and how they can support the school in delivering that curriculum, and also so they can voice any concerns that they do have, and any misconceptions that there might be around the new curriculum can be discussed, and that will certainly help them understand what's coming and how to support their children in a positive way.
As a parent myself, I can understand that some of the terminology in the RSE curriculum can make parents feel a little bit uncomfortable. So terms like consent or gender equality may feel inappropriate for younger pupils especially. But as an educator, I will be able to support parents, showing them hands-on the type of activities their children will be learning to understand consent at an early age, such as sharing and asking for permission to take something. And I think our information workshops for parents will support them with that in talking about the terminology, but then seeing in first hand how their pupils will be learning about that. It's really important that we're looking after pupils' well-being and nurturing them to become healthy and confident individuals. And I think the RSE curriculum lends itself to that. They're building up friendships, they're learning how to be empathetic to others, and they're just feeling part of a team, but valuing each other's differences and understanding that that's okay at an age-appropriate level.